Hello, I am Madhu. I am a twin flame divine masculine. I am a student of Jeffin Shilia and I have been a student of Twin Flame Ascension School and Twin Flame Life Purpose School. Today I want to share a topic, that is very close to your heart. That is, you must be experiencing at times that your twin flame does not recognize you, or it could be the situation that you are constantly trying to take the effort to make your twin flame know that you are twin flames, and how you can work together so that you can make the journey peaceful and come into harmonious union together. Yes, obviously that feels good, rather than constantly taking effort doing inner work to come into your harmonious union. Having that partnership is going to make it easy. Okay, so it is always said that you do not have to heal all your block to get into your harmonious union, right? You can attract your harmonious union just by focusing on your harmonious union energy and clearing the blocks. Those are necessary, those are coming into the way, those are blocking your harmonious union energy. Okay, so when you are specifically working on the recognition part, like where you are not able to recognize your twin flame, so that means if you mirror it, it is going to come as like, somewhere you are not able to recognize yourself. Okay, so when you complete that step, the second step is, what exactly is your image, what you need to recognize about yourself, right? There have been years that you have experienced yourself, right? It is not that you don't know anything about you. Then what is it that it is still that your twin flame does not recognize you? And you cannot deny the truth that if your twin flame is not recognizing you, that means there are, a part within you that you are not recognizing about yourself. So first, when you accept that you are not able to recognize, the second step is, not only you need to recognize who you are and what you have been in the 3D world, what you have achieved in this world, who you are physically and all that thing, or externally how people see you, but a deeper aspect where you are connected to the divine. When it is said you are connected to the divine, it is said that beyond your body there is a energy. There is a energy which is, ever ready, ever present to support you, to love you. And all that we are doing in the recognition is to understand the connection between this body and that energy, or we can, at most of the time we say it is your higher self, right? So why would you like to connect with your higher self? Because the whole purpose of connecting with your higher self or coming into the union is to ground your divinity on the 3D planet, right? So far, when you get born on this planet, there is a specific standard process, right? You complete your education, get a job, find a person, get married, then make babies. That's how the trend is. And absolutely you can do that, but it is going to give you the maximum satisfaction, maximum fulfillment when you do that with your twin flame. Okay, so when you understand that you can manifest your twin flame, the processes are there. Jeffrey Shilia's teachings are helping twin flames to come into harmonious union. They can help you as well. Their teachings are going to help you as well. It's just a matter of you choosing it and doing that for yourself, right? So when it is about the recognition, we always understood ourselves the way people have defined us through our experiences in our life, right? When we have been going through our childhood, you might have experienced bullying or any rejection, in any trauma from the parents, all kind of thing. And somewhere you have started believing, whatever you have experienced is you, and you do not connect with that self, right? Because you will be constant, whenever you are trying to connect with yourself, you will constantly either criticize yourself, or you don't feel good about yourself, a constantly lack feeling, as if you are not enough. That's what you feel. And when you are feeling that, your twin flame is going to constantly mirror that to you, right? Because twin flames, to come into harmonious union, the core thing that is required is to feel complete within yourself, right? The moment you start feeling complete with yourself, and your twin flame also makes that choice through their experiences and experience that completeness within themselves, then it becomes very natural that both the masculine and feminine component of a twin flame set can attract each other naturally with universal support. And then the harmonious union becomes a natural process. So then when it comes to understanding your divine self, what exactly it is, right? Because when we have been defining ourselves the way we have experienced by the people who have never loved us, right? They have never loved us, they have always seen flaw in us. That's why we do not see anything good about us. That's why we do not connect the way God has created us, right? So that's why we will never be able to see our divine self, which is completely complete, completely pure, and completely divine. And all through the inner work, all that we are doing is to understand what our divine self is. It is just what you are doing is like our, it's not that you do not connect at all. You must be able to connect with some parts of your life where you have felt complete, felt good about yourself. So all that we are doing is connecting with that part and expanding that, right? You can connect with that part and understand who you truly are within yourself, within on your soul level, and then grounding that and accepting that and expanding that part about you, right? And that way all the criticism, all the rejection, all the abandonment that you are holding on to, that you truly not are going to release from your system, and you will constantly expand into your divine self, right? And it is all that you are doing is you are bringing all your divine pieces back to in its structure and feeling complete in your heart. Because the moment you start connecting with your divine self, you will feel complete. You will experience that deep peace within your heart, because that's when you connect with your true self. That's where you are going to experience that home, that love that you have always been desiring, right? And when you establish that, and when you recognize who you are truly on your soul level, and you are able to see your divine image, and then it is just a matter of choice to bring that into the reality, right? So the moment you recognize that within yourself, then it becomes very easy to bring it and ground it in the 3D world, and then show your light. That's how people say you shine your light, rather than holding on to how people have defined you. You just remove all that negativity from your system, and when you recognize who you truly are, what is your true shine, what is your true light, you expand that, and that's your divine self, right? That's your divine self that you are building on, and you are actually creating that with your higher self. And that's how you become one, the way God has created you and the way you feel about yourself. The moment you achieve that state, you feel a deep sense of belonging. You feel a deep sense of belonging in this body itself, and this is where is your home is. This is where is your home, in your heart, where you constantly experience that peace and love for yourself. And the moment you experience that, it becomes very natural for your twin flame to feel that and recognize you very naturally, that yes, this is what, because that's what they have been desiring. They have been desiring your true self, right? Deep in their heart, they recognize you in your true form, in your divine form. So the moment you embody that divine form, they recognize you immediately, and then they recognize themselves also. So when you are actually doing the inner work to develop this not develop, to embody your divine self, you are supporting your twin flame to heal that as well, and you are supporting them to recognize and embody their divine self. And then both of you, get attracted to each other, recognize each other, and embody your harmonious union and pursue your life purpose together with the grace of God. That's what is a very natural process. All that it needs is your choice. That do you choose to embody your divine self and release everything that is truly not your divine self, truly not defining any truth about you, right? So just let go. There are tools available. You can do even trauma healing, all that thing through map, and understand who you truly are on a soul level, and embody that. And I would love to, I can help you through the process of healing. If you want to connect with me or work with me, I have given my website. Just reach out to me. Thank you.